Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to change your Rocket League account name. So for that, you need to open the Rocket League. So for that, launch a web browser, go to rocketleague.com, log into your specific account, and then after, click on your profile picture icon or your username in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, you need to go ahead and select account, that is between Rocket Rundown and Connect Accounts. Go ahead and select it, and this will take you to a new page, which is accounts.epicgames.com. Now in this page, you need to hover your mouse to the display name. Go ahead and click on this pencil icon that is beside the display name. Now under new display name box, you need to enter the name that you want to set. After that, check this box and then select continue. But before that, remember, you cannot change your display name again for 2 weeks after this change, and you need to wait for 2 weeks, and only then you can go ahead and change your display name if you want to. Go ahead and select continue, which is highlighted in blue color. If the name is already in use, you won't be able to set it, so you need to go ahead and enter a new one, a unique one, and then select continue, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. Likewise, you can also change your email address from the account information page, and you can also change your first name, your last name, and other different options available right here. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.